Will my gaming data be lost if I recover my Xbox Live account with my gamertag?
Hello, gamers! Today, we're going to tackle an important concern that many Xbox Live users might face. Will your gaming data be lost if you recover your Xbox Live account with your gamertag? It's a valid worry, so let's dive into this and clarify some important points.
What does Xbox Live account recovery mean?
When you recover your Xbox Live account, it means you're trying to regain access to your account, possibly because you've forgotten your password or for other reasons. You can recover your account using your gamertag, which is your unique username on the Xbox Live platform.
What does your Xbox Live account include?
Your Xbox Live account carries quite a bit of information. It includes not just your gamertag, but also your profile details, friend lists, messages, and most importantly, your saved game data and achievements. This information is stored on Xbox Live servers, not on your local Xbox console.
Will you lose your gaming data when you recover your account?
Now, to the big question. No, recovering your Xbox Live account will not cause you to lose your saved gaming data or achievements. The game saves and progress are tied to your account, and as long as you're recovering the correct account using your gamertag, your game data is safe. It's stored in the cloud, meaning it's linked to your account, not your console. However, remember that this only applies if your account has been set up for Xbox Live, and you've been saving your games to the cloud. If you've been saving your games to your local console only and not to Xbox Live, your data won't be preserved if you lose access to your console. So, don't panic if you need to recover your Xbox Live account. Your saved games and achievements should be safe and sound. Remember to use Xbox Live's Cloud Save feature to ensure your game data is always protected, regardless of what happens to your console or account. Stay safe and game on!